This is what we're working with. This is because of that dang scrunchie I've been putting in it. Hey y'all, I just got off work and I wanted to pop in to let y'all know why my wig is so bad. I say that because, yes, I'm going to revive this wig and bring it back to life, but I want you to know what it's been going through, okay? I haven't really been treating it with the utmost respect, okay? So first of all, as you can see right now, it's pulled back. It's in a ponytail, but as of 24 February 2021, women in the Army can wear their short hair in a ponytail, so that just happened. For the last 6 weeks, I've been trying to like cuff this under. So keeping in mind that I've been tucking that little thing under for a bun, I've been tucking on my ends, I've been pulling this thing back. What else? I don't have a wig stand, so it's kind of just been laying there, and then I kind of keep my scrunchie in. So I just wanted to let y'all know that before it's like, dang, I'm not never getting that wig. So, but hopefully we can revive this, okay? So the reason I've been pulling it back is because it's like when I first got it, you know, the ends were nice and flowy, and I was like, it's like a little close, so I was just playing it safe. I've been noticing how puffy it is, like it's super puffy, and so I have a couple wigs, and so I've been wearing this for 6 weeks straight, and then next week I go into a field rotation, so I will be changing my wig actually to the straight one because I just think it's more secure. And so since I'll be like out in the field, no showers, no bathroom, no mirrors, I need to have like the most secure wig as possible. I'll probably show y'all real quick. I just want to be able to come back to this one and not have it be like just garbage. So this is what we're working with. This is because of that dang scrunchie I've been putting in it. And then as you can see, like the wave is not even there anymore. Let me show y'all my other one real quick. This one is called Empress Lace Wig. It's called Kelsey in the color 1B. I bought this so long ago and I just never wore it. That's why I was going through my cabinets. I was like, oh, it's not. It's like lace front, but it almost has that old school wig vibe, you know what I mean? The part. And look how much this cuffs under my chin. Like, who wants to walk around like that? I don't know. Not me. Oh, this is how it looks in the back. It's not moving and it's not showing anything. I'll just have this behind my ear like this, and boom. Just like super convenient, and it's gonna get the job done, and I don't gotta worry about something showing, you know? So let's get back to this wig, and let me know if y'all have any more wig suggestions. I'm new to this wig thing, and it's working out for me right now. If you've been following with me, you know why I'm wearing wigs, despite my fire hair color. But yeah, I like trying the things y'all recommend. So the ends were super matted and super knotted. I'm only gonna wash this once. Last time I did this, that's all it took. I revived it. Well, I wouldn't say revived it. I kind of refreshed it a couple weeks into wearing it. Just because I felt like it, because I was putting it in that ponytail. But I guess after a while, I don't know, I just neglected it. And out of nowhere, it had no wave, no curl pattern, and got really, really puffy. Some of that was probably makeup, but some of it was also probably dirt. So now I'm just gonna really try to take out all the tangles. I just have this Evolve brush from Walmart. I'm gonna comb through it. Alright, all the tangles look to be pretty much gone. So hopefully when I rinse it out, I can really start to enhance that curl pattern. So you can see the wave coming back a little bit. The ends look a lot better. This thing's struggling. I'm gonna scrunch it up to try to enhance the curl forming. Well, the wave. This wig is really just more so wavy, not curly. Yes, they are coming back. So it's really looking pretty much how I want it to look. The waves are there. And then when it dries, all those waves will dry with it. You have the option to keep the wig looking quote unquote wet, or you can brush it out and have a little bit more volume. I'm just going to brush the front at that part, because now this is gonna like dry overnight. So I'm just gonna do some final scrunchies. So happy to see those waves come back. This wig is now completely dry. And now you can see what I mean by it'll kind of stay a little stiff. But I'm going to comb it out and then brush it out. So the reason I suggest combing it out first is that it'll make the wig less frizzy. And that way, if you want it to be a little bit more full, you can then go in with the brush. But I actually like it just like this. I don't think I'm going to brush it at all. Ooh, I brought this wig back to life. Yes. And it was so simple. Like I said, all I did was wash, condition it, and put some setting lotion in it. Let that sit overnight, and then wide tooth comb it out. I hope you all really learned something and enjoyed something in this video. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. I ain't gonna lie, this wig got some flow though. It's like, it's synthetic or whatever, but it got like real hair-like tendencies. So if this y'all jam, this y'all style, and I think this one probably was cheaper too, but let me put that back down. But yeah, if y'all are into this wig, go check it out because it flows really nice. Let me go back to what I was doing.